Well, this week, Nerdventure takes us back to the ranch. We brought my quadcopter with, so take some videos, maybe do some valley cliff dives. The ranch is always fun to hang out at. It's even better when something's going on. And today is a Bosch e-bike demo. E-bike demo day at the ranch. It's a sports basement, Bosch in Cannondale, and you get to sign up at a sports basement, come out for an e-bike demo day, and because it's in Nevada, Weir has it set up at the ranch. So it's pretty awesome. The trails up here are, I don't know, intermediate to advanced, to say the least. I've got a chance to ride on them a while ago, and I don't think they've gotten any easier. But so they bring folks out here, feed them, put them on bikes, charge the batteries up, and away they go all afternoon long. It's pretty awesome. I'm gonna try to moto myself up to the top with the drone, get some footages. Off-road! We're gonna go to the top of the ranch, do some flying. The demo day for the e-bike stuff is over, so I got, oh god, that's the wrong place. Woo! That's not the way. That's steep. Turn around and try again. Front brakes suck. Whew. That was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. Alright, here you have it. Top of the ranch. Made it. Fell down, rolled down a hill. That was awesome.
Birds of a feather, we rock together. And if we got a problem, we talk together. So let's head down south, escape the bad weather. Ooh, 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 ooh. The rain came through my treetop and washed away so many things I couldn't learn. my treetop, blew away so many things, harder than the breeze on which we once flew, farther from the tree where I met you. So I'm learning the hard way, learning the hard way, learning the hard way to be true. Now I'm learning the hard way. Yeah, birds of a feather, we rock together. Oh, if we got a problem, we talk together. You know we're gonna talk together. Down south and escape the bad weather. We run together, and we talk together. So we take down south and escape the bad weather. The sun came to my treetop, and it shone so bright it lit up everything. Shone the light of something that was so true. And suddenly I knew I had to have you. I'm learning the hard way, learning the hard way, learning the hard way to be true. And I'm learning the hard way. Birds of a feather, we rock together. We rock together. Talk together. We talk together. If we get a problem, when we talk together. Yeah. If we got a problem, we talk together. Rathbones, warbler. If we got a problem, we talk together. All your flyers today, 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 today. Yellow, 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 yellow rum warbler. All your flyers today, 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 are you flying today? Are you flying today? Today.
Of course. Copter, you're right at the edge. Thank you. Whew. All right, so that was the easy part because it was all downhill. Down there, I gotta hike back up that. Jeez. So in case, like, see how I can't see the ridge line where I was? Cuts off all the signal and I'm boned. So I'm gonna try to hike myself back up this hill. Oh, it's very steep. It's gonna take a long time. I feel like this was a bad idea. Pro tip, if you don't have, I mean, it really doesn't matter what kind of RF gear you run for your drone. It's not gonna get past ridge lines or earth or rocks. And what I had done is, I had flown below some hills, I guess you'd say, there was a ridge line below where I was. And I got behind it, and I lost all my signal and had to go hiking for my copter. I gotta get to that tree line and over to that top. And I am feeling it. We'll check back in a minute. Whew. I've been walking for 2 minutes, 1 minute. Whew.
I'm going right to there because I feel like the straight shot should get me back to the fire road. To the top. GoPro is dead. I'm dead. That sucked. Watch your ridge lines. Whew. Just the walk from there to here has me dying. Like, I feel so out of shape right now. Whew. And the whole time I was flying, I'm thinking, oh, watch the ridge lines. Watch the ridge lines. And then get a little comfortable. But we made it back. I'm not flying anymore. That does it from the top of the ranch. I fell down, I crashed, I hiked. It's time to go. I'm gonna try to ride the Grom down the hill. See how this goes, because it's super off-road experience. It's gonna rain through. That was a Nerdventure, and it's not even over yet. Still gotta get home. I still gotta get off the mountain and then get home. Gets loose on dusty fire road. Alright, so square up. Ooh, ooh, slow. That's lame. There's a trail, bike trail. Jesus. That was bad. Sometimes you gotta send it. Let off the front brake when it slides. Get in a rut, lean back. Oh, sketch. Charlie can't ride in the dirt. I'm glad. That was a bad idea. I thought I was gonna avoid the rut.